Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The image of the free bird living a life of unparalleled joy and liberty stands for freedom while enslavement, in the poem I Know Why the Caged Bird, is symbolized by the restricted life of the caged bird whose wings are clipped and feet are tied. However, the caged bird lives an imprisoned life in a narrow cage.
Let's help you make your mark.
Poetic devices used in the poem, Caged Bird, by Maya Angelou. Metaphor. The poet uses metaphor, an indirect comparison, when she compares wind to water. Alliteration. Alliteration, repetition of consonant sounds at the beginning of nearby words, is used in places like end rhyme and internal rhyme. Imagery. Personification, repetition.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The free and caged birds. The birds in Caged Bird can be seen as symbolizing two different racial groups. The caged bird, which has been forced to live its entire life in captivity, can be seen as representing the African American community, who suffer from race-based oppression.
Take our lead.
Personification. Personification. Maya Angelou has used personification such as sighing trees, as if trees are feeling sorrow. Also, she has personified the bird by changing its pronoun from its to his.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.